What is in my... Is that what it's doing? Is that what I think it is? Wait. No. A new headset. Yeah! Okay, let's open it. Let's open it. Who put this in? What if Santa came early then buy this for me? Okay, let's open this thing now. Mommy, say hi first.
Hi. Ready?
Hello. This is from GBL Community. And it's a Tune 520 BT. And it's a Bluetooth device has ready to pair. You can call with this. You can play video games. You can even use it on a tablet. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Let's open it. Okay, let's actually open it, but let's do a transition before that. No, transition work. It didn't work. Come on, work. It work. What's up, guys? Let's actually open this thing up. Mommy.
What? Need help? Ano?
Wait, tayo ko.
Can you do it?
I can do it. But I still want to do it.
Mommy will do it now for you.
No, can you wait, rip it off for me? Rip it off for me, but don't open it. Wooly! Do you remember my old videos? The video that say, wow, should I try recreating it? Wow!
Ano mo yan? Nakaano na ga?
Yep. Let's rip it off. Oops. Got the packaging too. Okay. Open the top. But I can see it already coming up to me. Okay. Wait. I'll show you guys. Let's see. I think that's the headset. Okay, this is the real headset itself. Nah, I don't want to open it yet. It's stuck. This is the GBL. This is it. Inside here. It's inside. Get close, close, close. No, don't come out. Okay. What's in here? What's in here? What's these? These instructions? What is this? Instructions? Mommy, can you try removing this for me? This thing. I'll let you do it.
It's a no. like the charger.
You have a charger and a note, maybe? Let's try opening it. I think you have to open it from like this. Can we open it? That's so cool. Okay, let's do this fast because I don't have feel. It's the charger!
Yeah.
It's the charger! Let's put it inside. No, but I'm the one who can see it. Jesus Christ, I saw it. My eyes. Hallelujah. This is it. This is it. This is the part we've been waiting for. Oh, it's the sky again. So let's open it. 1, 2,